Welcome to my channel DylTri Cuisine. In this video I'll be showing you how to make Pau Bhaji, the famous street food of India. Firstly, in a pressure cooker, put in the potatoes, carrots, cauliflower and the aubergine. Add in 1.5 glasses of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles and turn off. In a wide pan, add in the oil and the butter and heat this up. Now add in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Add in the ginger, garlic and chilli and saute in the oil. Now add in the chopped onions and cook to slightly golden. Add in the chopped peppers and cook until they soften. Now add the peas and cook for a further 2 minutes. Now add in the masalas, the Tumeric, Jeera Dhania powder and the Red Chilli Powder. Salt to taste and mix in. Cook this for a further 2 minutes. Now add in the tomatoes and mix this in. Add in 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. This will enhance the colour of the Pau Bhaji. Whilst that's cooking on medium heat, check the vegetables have been steamed in the pressure cooker. Remove any excess water and mash all the vegetables together. Add the mashed vegetables into the pan and cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Now add in the Pau Bhaji masala. Add in the lemon juice and the jaggery. Mix this in and cook for a further 10 minutes. Add in the coriander and mix this in. Cook this for another 5 minutes. In a pan, add some butter and fry the rolls on both sides. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.